Even though this looks like a really strange half of a pair of handcuffs for weirdly shaped forearms, this is actually a CAPO. This is the new CAPO from Black Mountain, the same geniuses who brought you the pick-shaped thumb pick. Okay, this is absolute perfection. So Black Mountain decided to create this half handcuff shaped CAPO, and it snugly fits over your fretboard with different sized fretboards included. And they thought of everything because then you have this. Okay, now if this were handcuffs, then this would be a torturing device, but this actually adjusts the pressure to fit perfectly over your guitar. So no matter what type of guitar, what type of neck, what type of fretboard you play, you just fit the CAPO on and adjust the pressure, and that's it. You have a perfectly snug CAPO that fits perfectly over your guitar fretboard, and then you just take one of their, hey look, I can see my guitars from here, and you just play. Now, when you want to take the CAPO off, you just unpressurize it, and it just comes off just like this. And it looks like a weird pair of handcuffs again, which is absolutely cool. They also have this awesome Tagua flat pick, which has this cork middle grip. It's super comfy to hold. It's beautiful. It produces a crisp sound. And just like everything else, these guys and girls at Black Mountain just love playing the guitar, and they love making things comfy for themselves and for the rest of us. So thank you, Black Mountain. I love your stuff, and keep them coming. Really, keep them coming. And you watching this, go get yourself some Black Mountain stuff. The picks, the thumb picks, this CAPO. Thank you, Black Mountain. I'll see you in the next video.